Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ba Preston Tensong mentakasngi ulapan bena baka Sorkar kelarai ban Thung da ka Judicial Inquiry Commission ban tokit Halor ka Jingbthei ka parti Dewiong bean hammen sengat Thangsko East Jingbthei Hills dakshan. Ban syupen kan mau hakani ka Jingjthei kila dan arpuh nyongut kinong belati Dewiong ki balaklan bat bungut ki wepat ki ba mensau.
We will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out investigation or whatever. Whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it in the report. We have tried our best. But now again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.